Izo bariyanyu mwabazyo abarkwenda kwatira ekibina kya NRM bendera aharengo rwa kansaro wa district batandikire garra empapura zabo okwandikwa habitebe bya district zitari zimwe na zimwe okushana n'ihanga lyona aba district ya Kazo nabo bejumbiro mu nteekateeka egi
tuzinza abantu ba congested mwati batire igombora ibiri buri izoba so izoba ni igombora ya Buremba igombora ya Champangara indi kujekera insima rahanga munonga agombora ya Champangara izoba naba nominated nomination form njinaha already host up ya registrar nabi nominated
so egeshaha ndifore nominated kandi nitwara n'umushobo kusima abahagizi banje nitwara umushobo kusima NRM
no batandikire kwandikwa barabwirwe ha kutandika kuronda karuru obwire butakakire
konga umuntu yaba tashimwe na terebirungu tashimwe ko banagenda bantu nayereka abantu abakoresha campaign tekataniki campaign tanaba twaje kubona imitinga twaje kuhandika kabaye campaign sinabonista hata umuntu yana bari ukati nabona ibintu bibiri ndota kabakiriza kwa campaign abo kuri wa campaign
okuronda karuru nukutandika kibanza cyo kwa Mushanju hokwezo kurkwija kandi nukuza ku marebero 14 babone kutera karuru okutandikana nakabanyishengero 2016 ebyo kwezo kwa Mushanju
myashatu rero kibanza tutanga campaigns open air campaigns kibanza kwezo kwa Mushanju only 14 days zimana campaigns rero 2016 batayagaruka bahona MPs abirnabena batayagaruka cyaba LC5 nahona rebukansarazi ba district abakwamba kiko mukanso ya LC5
aharengo rwihanga habarkwenda kwetsimba ahabunye ishengero okorabiro mu kibina cya NRM bariyo bagarra impapura zabo aha kitebe cye kibina cya Dondo
Meanwhile, we are holding until you people you have settled.
Abariyo mu ntebezi nibajyangu nibenda kweze batandikire kandi bo abarkwenda kuzamu nibagira ngo nibenda gukora ebaremere
hati naza ground kugambira abantu ebikozurwe ebar kumanya kandi okubasha bakaruru abetsi imbere bagaho abo kwanyonkoze.
We are building the government, we persuaded the government to build us a district hospital, and we are working on the Metoma Rukunjiri Road. Now, these are projects I want to complete because they are not going to be completed this Sanja.
Pereza kagisha kubabera member wa parliament wa Kitagwenda ebyaremire reka nitwe tugezeho rero turebe okuturabasa kubikiriza abo twatumire ubundi bakayiko muhanda bikabaremerera abo bahumure rero nanye mu mpere zo mugisha
agwe birungi bya NRM niza kureba ngo manifesto ya NRM yashikira okukira munonga niza kutamani akushoma ko mwana wo mwishiki kandi nentunguka yo maka nimpagire bina by'abakazi na program zabo okukira munonga nkakiruhura twine nshonga ya mezi nja kufayo kureba ngo program z'amezi agenda omuisho
tepa inakora ninyenda bahanga agiteka mu stamp kugira ngo 2016 byo kwezi kwa Mushanju aterere mu kimwe stamp mbeme mba parliament omukazi ninyeraganisa gumani imwe kubakorera kwimusya ntunguka yo maka kuyamba abana abarukushomana munonga abana babishiki kubakwataho kugira ngo nyencha kare tunguri yangari ya Uganda.
I am extremely grateful to God and to the people of Kole South who today have confirmed that they solely appreciate our agenda and our manifesto for developing Kole South.
Agaga shakwa sima naume na Ronald Ngabirano habwa Tayari West.